I did an experiment on Etsy. More precisely, I did an Etsy ad experiment. In the past 10 to 12 days, I increased my Etsy ads daily spend from $10 a day to $20. Now, let's take a look together and check if this brought in more sales, brought in more revenue, or just I simply wasted my money and doubled my marketing budget for nothing. Hi, if we haven't met yet, my name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel we talk about making money online, digital products and business finance. If you clicked on this video, I assume that you have an Etsy shop or you want to start an Etsy digital products business and you want to make sure that you will make daily sales. Well, at the beginning, Etsy ads are an option to boosting your views and maybe your sales as well, if your listings are set up the proper way. To show you the results of this experiment, I will take you in the back end of my Etsy shop and let's take a look at the results. Here we are in the back end of my shop. In the marketing section under the Etsy ads tab. Yeah, the last 30 days is okay. We will look at this time period as it is clearly visible. We started doing Etsy ads on the 4th of May and currently we are on the 17th. We will take a look at each of these metrics, the views, the clicks, the orders and the revenue. At the beginning of the month and the end of last month, as you can see, we have a steady daily 1,000 views. As soon as I started the increased Etsy ads budget, the views jumped up to 1,400 and 2,000 and 1,800 and around this amount. Well, obviously we are spending double the money, so we should get at least double the views as well. Now let's take a look at the clicks. We have daily views around 1,800, 2,000. That is very nice. We got double the views. Let's see the ad clicks. We can see the same trend here. And on the 4th, we got 61 clicks. And on the 3rd, only 31. So we have doubled our clicks as well. 56, 56, 60. So that is good. We had 72 clicks here yesterday. Well, it's strange that $20 only buys 72 clicks. I thought that would buy more, but apparently this is the amount of clicks that we can get with this amount of money. And from now on, we start to look at the real results, if this experiment was worth it or not. We are here on the orders from ads tab. And as you can see on the 4th, we didn't have orders from ads, although we spent those $20. May 5th, we had 7, 5, 6. Well, orders from ads did not double. In the best case, they stayed the same, and there are some days that we have more orders from ads. And let's see the revenue. Well, here we have some mixed results, in my opinion, because on the 4th I spent the $20. On the 7th I also spent the $20. As you can see, I only made 15. So there I am at a loss of $5. But on the 8th, I made $100 from ads, so it kind of balances out. 22, here I made a $2 profit. Here I made 30 profit, 10 profit. I have mixed feelings about these results. I don't know, should I keep them going until the end of the month? I'm getting more sales, but I'm spending a lot more money as well. Let's check a custom period so that we can get a gasp on the return on ad spend. Let's set a custom date and let's do from the 4th of May until today. We spent $265 and we made $625. That's a little bit more than double. I was hoping by increasing this ad budget I would at least triple the revenue from ads, but I'm not impressed, to be honest. I will give this experiment until the end of the month so that we can see if we had more sales or not. But I'm skeptic, but maybe Etsy will turn it around and surprise me. That was the short update that I wanted to do and tell you guys about regarding my Etsy ads experiment. Tell me in the comments down below if you are running Etsy ads in your shop and what is your return on ad spend. You can find out your return on ad spend if you click on advertise the listings. I will show it to you right here. Manage advertised listings. That is the button that you want to click on. You can see right here, return on ad spend. My best one has $173 in return on ad spend, but the rest of them are lower amounts. Here you can see I spent $46 and I got 92. This means that I doubled the revenue from that listing. So let's give this experiment some more time and let's see what will happen until the end of the month, and I will cut off this experiment on the last day of May and I will update you in an upcoming video. Just keep an eye out for that. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video from me where I talk about digital products and making money online. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!